intervencións e de preguntas. O que si, por favor, nos pedimos é que sexan concisas cos menos conceptos posibles para poder levar a cabo a traducción, vale? Muchísimas gracias.
Thanks a lot and lovely to be here. Thank you for Plataforma Baran in Galicia. And I'm really excited to be with you. It's a very, very honorable day that we come together this day because it's for Kurdish people and for all revolutionary people, it's a Black Day, unfortunately. Why it's a Black Day? Because in this day, 3 revolutionary women, Leyla Şaynamas, Fidan